If you want to create an event in the calendar on Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus 5G, then first of all, of course, we need to open the calendar. There we go. And now over here, we can press this plus button in the bottom right corner, and then we can choose event. At the top, we can set the name for our event. Then we can choose whether it is an event task or birthday. We can also manage the category. So if you have multiple Google accounts on your device, then you can choose the category for a specific account. You can choose whether the event should be taking place whole day or not. If not, then you can choose the period as well as the date when the event happens, when it starts and when it ends. You can also choose the time zone over here, whether the event should repeat or not. You can choose to repeat every day, every week, every month, every year, or you can create a custom recurrence. As you can see, we can choose a specific number of days, weeks, months, or years. And you can also choose which days of the week and when it should end. After that, you can also add multiple people to the event so that they can also have the event in their calendar. We can also add video conferencing, we can add location, we can manage notifications. By default, you will be notified about the event 30 minutes before it happens, but you can also add a custom notification, of course. You can choose one of these options, or you can choose custom and create your own time when you will be notified about the incoming event. You can also remove the notification by tapping on this X next to it. You can choose the color for the event, you can add description as well as attachments from Google Drive. And once you are done with setting up the event, simply press save over here in the top right corner. And that is it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!